Hey guys, what if you could figure out what was going on with the market ahead of time? Well, that's really hard to do. Nobody can do that. But I do have something that's kind of sort of close. One of the things that does tremendously influence the market is a Fed meeting, right? We have Fed meeting coming up. By the time you watch this video, we'll have already had it. But this is a big one, and interest rate decision, what's going to go on. So what I want to do is show you a free tool that you can use to help you determine what might happen at a Fed meeting. And let me show you. So we've got the ES up here on the chart right now. As you can see, we've kind of been coming down here. I'm going to switch to the NQ because as I'm recording this, the NASDAQ has been in a really kind of a free fall from the semiconductors. Money's coming out of those and going into other sectors. But the bigger things this week that I'm talking about when I'm recording this video, we've got Microsoft reporting, we've got Apple, we've got Amazon, we've got Fed meeting, we got PCE, all kind of stuff, Bank of Japan on Friday, all that kind of stuff. But let me show you the free indicator that you can use to help you get a better grasp on what is going on with the Fed. So if you don't know, you can go to Fed Watch tool. Now this is on CME Group. You may know this or not. Again, it's free. Click on Fed Watch. And it's showing you, again, I want to record this video specifically because the Fed meeting is in 35 minutes. And I wanted to show you what it looked like kind of before the meeting. So the Fed Watch tool, here's the Fed Watch tool. And what this shows you, check this out, very important. This is 29 July when I'm recording this, right here, right, 29 July. The current rate is 350, 375, right? So what this is showing you, the target rate, 350, 375, which is the same. There's a 66% chance of no change, right? No rate hike, no rate cut. Now in this one, there is 350 to 375, 400. There is a 33% chance of a rate hike, right? So that's 33% chance. Now, if you've been watching, if you do know this, and you've been watching this, this was as high as like, it was about 40% a couple of days. This will move around a lot. It went as low maybe 2 weeks ago at 12.16. And then a couple of days ago, it was, up around, I think it was 39.40. Oops, sorry, I can't draw. So it will move around. But the cool thing is this can give you a really good indication. If this over here was at 80%, then you would know that it's 80% probability of a rate hike if that was the case, 350 to 375, right? Then you could prepare your portfolio accordingly, right? You would know ahead of time. So this is not a crystal ball, but it can surely help you. Now we have Fed meetings throughout the year. The Fed commentary and all that kind of stuff is always very important. So again, this is a free tool. It doesn't cost anything. So this is the meeting today. So what's going to go on next meeting in September, right? There's no August meeting. So if we click on 16 September over here, now we get a little bit different picture. So the current rate right now, 350. So that's the current rate. So there's only a 19% chance that rates are going to stay the same as they are right now. 56% chance of a rate hike, 350 to 375, right? Uh-oh, look at this. 23% chance of a 50 basis point hike here. Now this is 25 basis points, right? 350, 375, 350, 400. That's a 0.5%. There's a 23, 24% chance that that would happen by September. So the Fed is probably going to raise rates here. 56% chance of a little rate hike, 23% chance of a big rate hike, and only a 19% chance that they stay the same. Now that's at this point in time. We'll have the Fed meeting again 35 minutes from now and a lot of commentary, and they may say, no, we're not going to raise rates or whatever, that happens, and this will all change. But that's what's cool about this. Again, it's free. Just go in here and watch this. I watch this all the time. This is dictated by the bond market, right? Again, watch this stuff. If we go out to October, and you'll start seeing different things here. By October, 350, 350. There's only a 12% chance, 12.9% chance that we will not get a rate hike by October. 44% chance of a quarter point, 35% chance of a 50 basis point, and about 8% chance of a 75 basis point cut by October. Now, you have to figure out, we generally know that rate hikes are not good for the overall market, right? If you're trading the financials, maybe it's good. If you're trading TLT or whatever, maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. You want to go short, you want to go long. What about volatility? You could trade the VIX, that kind of thing. Lots of things you can read into this to give you an indication of what might happen. So when we're trading, we are detectives. We're looking for clues. We're trying to pick up anything that can give us a little more alpha, a little edge. We're always looking for edge, right? So if we have a little bit better idea what's going on in the bond market, we can position ourselves accordingly. We can hedge more, we can get more bullish, we can get more bearish, and again, all this will change once the Fed has the actual meeting and gives the commentary and all that kind of stuff. But I'll do another video on the economic calendar, what we need to watch for, CPI, PPI, PCE, all the kind of retail sales, all the kind of stuff that we watch for, right? But for right now, I wanted to focus on this because, again, we got a Fed meeting in shortly, and I wanted to show you the graphs here before they change dramatically so that you can start watching this stuff as we go forward. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, I'll put a link down there. It's free. I give 3 trade ideas a week, 3 stock ideas a week as kind of outlier honey badger kind of stocks. Very cool. It's free. Again, get that. Also, I have a live trading room. You're welcome to. I'll put a link down here. You can check that out as well. We do this stuff all day long. So thanks for the time. Again, let me know any questions, comments. I'm glad to help you, and I will continue to put out videos like this to help you in your trading journey. So thanks for the time, guys. I appreciate it. Take care. Thanks.